Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Rebranding your sites? Well, in this video, and following this easy guide, you will be able to change your website name on Wix, ensuring your online presence reflects your brand's identity accurately. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about a couple of settings of the website that you have to do in Wix before you get started. So when first you create a website, it will not have like all the things that can present your brand. This is why you have to rebrand it and do some couple of things. First of all, I would like to rename it. To do so, I'm going to go ahead right here and rename site from here. After you do this, you will be able to change the site name. So this is something that you have always to do. Let me just rename it. For example, I'm going to name it World Cup, World Champion, something like that, World Champion. I'm going to do it and replace it also in the URL. Here there is something wrong. Let's add something like that. Please use lowercase letters and numbers. And okay, so we have to use, for example, something like that. Something like that's good. Only lowercase. Oh, my bad. So, World Champion. This is perfect. So click on save, and just like that, we have renamed and changed the name of our website. This is very, very, very easy, guys, things to do. Also, as a tip, make sure that you go to edit site and change the name of the header. So when you go to the header, you'll always find the default name of the template. So make sure to change that name from there as well. This is something that you always have to do in order to make your website stand out. For example, for me, my header doesn't have even like a logo, but sometimes you will have it. So you can literally just basically add it, move it, and do things. So make sure always to have it right here. And these are the two main things that you have to focus on to actually edit the name. Also, if you couldn't find the name there, well, you could go to the website settings through here, and from the website settings you will find the site name. So these are the two ways that you can change your site name in Wix. So here you can edit this name to easily find this on your dashboard. Here there's some other information like your site name shows on your dashboard and my sites page. It's also used in search results to manage your website title for SEO, title on Google, and browser tab. Every page on your site has a title that shows. So to customize, go to editor and you'll be able to customize the exact tab name. So this is something that you need to know in the future practices with Wix is that every page will have like this tab menu, as you can see right here, which you can edit very easily just by clicking on the page itself. And here you will be able to change this. So for example, this is home, World Champion. This is blog, I think, World Champion. Let me just check it. Settings. Yep, here it is. Advanced settings. SEO basics. Yep, here it is. No, this is only blog, and this is, yeah, the title is just result. This is blog World Champion. So these are the things that are very, very, very necessary to do. Here, as you can see, even when I'm getting into the Wix website builder or editor, I'm looking right here, and what I can find, World Champion right in the top. So these are the things that you should do in order to manage your site, to change the name, to rebrand it, and to remake it from zero. So in case you had any more problems with changing the name, now you have all the solution possible. Another thing that you have to do is to save every single thing that you have done. Even if you change just the URL of the link or something like that, you have to change and save it and publish it. These things are very distinguished and essential in case you would like to make your site go like basically go in like saving every single setting that you have changed, such as the name, everything. So in case you didn't do that, well, the changes are not gonna be totally updated, and you will not have everything as you had in mind. Also, this is something that you might notice is when there is here in tab, there is this favicon. Also, this favicon has to be changed, in case you didn't know, to match your brand, so always make sure to change it. But the trick in favicon within Wix is you can't change it without the premium plan, so you have to upgrade your plan to the premium one. The cheapest one that will allow you to do that is the $7 plan with the light one. It will give you a domain name with it free for 1 year, so it is a good deal in case you would be interested in it. So yeah, in case you would like to, that's something that you can go for. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you do have any more questions or problems that you faced in Wix or any other platform, make sure to mention it in the description. I will try to answer you, or probably just make a whole video about it. And if there is any topic that you want us to talk about, mention it in the comment section and we will cover it for you. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.